Hello everyone and welcome back to our IoT video series. In today's session we were diving into the unit 3 characteristics and the smart sensor adoption. Sensors are the backbone of IoT and understanding their characteristics is crucial for designing the efficient systems. From accuracy to sensitivity, we will explore the key parameters that define the sensor performance. We will also discuss the fractional order elements and how they impact the sensor applications. Next, we will introduce the impedance spectroscopy and its role in the sensor modeling. Additionally, we will look at the importance of smart sensors and why they are shaping the future of IoT. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of sensors characteristics and their real world applications. So, stay tuned and make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. At first, the key characteristics of sensors in IoT application. Sensors play a crucial role in the IoT by collecting and transmitting the data to the connected systems. Their characteristics define their performance and usability in the real-world applications. Key characteristics like including the accuracy, the precision, the sensitivity, the resolution, the response time, and the stability. Accuracy determines how close a sensor's reading is to the actual value, means the difference. Okay. The precisions. While the precisions ensures the consistent measurement over time. Sensitivity refers to how a sensor reacts to small changes in the input, whereas the resolution defines the smallest measurable change. Response time indicates how quickly a sensor detects and reports a change. Stability ensures the consistent performance over time, reducing the errors in the long-term applications. Additionally, the power consumption is a key factor in the IoT device, as sensors need to operate efficiently with minimal energy. These characteristics collectively determine the reliability and the effectiveness of sensors in the IoT system. So now, the determination of sensor characteristics. To ensure the reliable performance, sensor characteristics must be determined through testing and calibration. The calibration process involves comparing sensors reading with known reference values to adjust the errors. Sensitivity is measured by analyzing the change in the output with respect to input variations. Accuracy is tested by checking the deviations from the standard values. Hysteresis testing is used to evaluate if a sensor provides consistent readings when subject to the same condition repeatedly. Temperature and environmental conditions also affect the sensor performance, requiring the stability testing under different conditions. Linearity test helps to verify whether the sensor output follows a predictable pattern or not. Additionally, noise levels are assessed to determine the signal to noise ratio, SNR ratio, ensuring the minimal interference. So, proper determination of sensor characteristics is essential for accurate data collection in the IoT application. So now, fractional order elements and constant phase impedance in the sensing application. Fractional order elements are advanced sensor components that exhibit the behavior between the resistor, capacitor, and the inductors. They provide the constant phase impedance, meaning their impedance remains stable across different frequencies. This property is particularly useful in the applications requiring the long-term stability and precise signal processing. So in IoT, fractional order elements are used for sensing parameters like the humidity, the water quality, and material properties. Their unique behavior enables improved performance in non-linear and dynamic environment. Compared to traditional sensors, they offer better noise immunity and extended operational lifespan. This makes them ideal for industrial, biomedical, and environmental monitoring applications. Researchers are actively exploring their potential in next generation smart sensors for IoT. By integrating the fractional order elements, sensors can achieve enhanced accuracy and stability in diverse conditions. So now, impedance spectroscopy and its role in sensor modeling. So, impedance spectroscopy is a powerful technique used to analyze the sensor behavior by measuring the electrical impedance over a range of frequencies. This technique helps in modeling the sensors and understanding their internal properties. Impedance analysis is particularly useful in biosensing, chemical sensing, and material sensing or material testing applications. By studying the impedance response, a researcher can design the sensors with improved accuracy and selectivity. The equivalent circuit modeling technique helps to represent a sensor's behavior mathematically, aiding in the better system integration. For example, in a humidity sensing, impedance spectroscopy allows the engineers to fine-tune the sensor properties for enhanced moisture detection. It also plays a vital role in developing the miniaturized and low power sensor for IoT applications. So as IoT system demand high precision data collection, the impedance spectroscopy ensures the sensors operate optimally under varying conditions. Importance and adoption of smart sensor in the IoT. A smart sensor are transforming the IoT landscape by offering the real-time data processing, self-calibration, and wireless communication. Unlike traditional sensors, smart sensors integrate the microcontrollers and communication modules, enabling the seamless connectivity with IoT platforms. These sensors are widely used in the smart home, healthcare, and industry automation and environmental monitoring. The adoption of smart sensors enhances the energy efficiency, reduces the maintenance cost, and improves the system reliability. With AI and ML integration, smart sensors can predict the failures and optimize the performance. Industries are rapidly shifting towards smart sensors networks for predictive maintenance and automation. Governments and tech companies are investing heavily in the smart sensors research to improve the IoT infrastructure. The future of IoT is heavily relies on these intelligent devices, making them a crucial part of technological advancement. So that's all for today's video on Unit 3 characteristics and smart sensor adoption. We explored the key sensor characteristics, how they are determined, and the role of fractional order elements and impedance spectroscopy in the IoT application. We also discussed the importance of smart sensors, why they are widely adopted in the modern technology. Smart sensors are revolutionizing the IoT, making systems more efficient and intelligent. Okay, so in our next video, we will dive into the Unit 4 architecture and the fabrication of the smart sensor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Drop your question in the comments and we will be happy to answer them. So stay tuned for more IoT insights. See you in the next video.